Hello friends, myself Chetan Thakur. Today we learn Standard 9 Science English Medium chapter number 1. Topic is factor affecting evaporation. Which factor are affecting of evaporation? So discuss these all factors. First, in the last lecture, we have to understand what is evaporation. Evaporation यानी कि one substance like water, so heat continuously and then water particles are gain kinetic energy, speed is high, then liquid to gaseous state. So about first factor is area of surface. First factor is area of surface. It means surface area of surface. So listen here, one small area heat applied and converted to gaseous state, or a big area. So both have different rate of evaporation or not. So answer is yes. When the area is increased, so particle of liquid state or any state are large area covered and large area, so heat is also increasing. So conclusion that area of surface are effect on evaporation. And which type of effect? Increase of area. It means increase of area, so the evaporation is very fast. So conclusion, area of surface are affected on a temperature, effect on evaporation, and result is increase the surface area, so the evaporation is fast. So in this reason we have to clean or dry our clothes in a wire or anyone, so in a wide range, not in a narrow range, but is a cloth are arranged in a wire on a wire are a wide range, because of area will be large, so the evaporation rate is very high, so fast increase. So first factor is area of surface. In surface area are increased, so the evaporation rate is fast. Next, increase of temperature. Increase of temperature. So clear? So understand easily by the heading. Temperature will be increased, so the particles is kinetic energy is also increased. Kinetic energy is increased, therefore speed of moving particles is also increasing. So the temperature is increased when the evaporation rate is increased, which also increase kinetic energy of particles and the speed of moving particles in a container or anywhere. So under seawater, in a seawater, the temperature is increased, therefore particles of water are moving high speed, means evaporation rate is high when the increase of temperature. Now, portion of moisture is decreased. So moisture portion the rate of this moisture portion, it means this is our water particles and this around portion of moisture, it means H2O in air or water in air portion is decreased, so also evaporation rate is high. Conclusion that we have feel this activity in our regular life. So one clothes are dry, around the atmosphere is cool, so the evaporation rate is low, but around atmosphere of cloth is very high, the evaporation rate is very high, because this particle evaporation rate affected because the moisture particles are around it, so the evaporation rate means kinetic energy of these particles is low, therefore evaporation rate is low. So moisture of around is low in a summer season, the atmospheric moisture, it means air has a very dry, not more portion of moisture. Therefore, in a summer season, the clothes are first evaporate, means water are first removed from clothes in compared to winters. So the moisture is affected on this portion. And last, speed of air, the wind, speed of wind. So this speed is increased. So the rate of evaporation is also increased. So the rate of winds, which means high speed to wind are passing through, so clothes all are very fast dry compared to in a normal winds. So speed, this reason the particles are movement speed is increased with the speed of wind, therefore kinetic energy increase, and then evaporation rate are also increased. So these points are effect on evaporation. First is surface area, second is moisture portion, increased temperature, and speed of winds are effect on a factor are affecting on evaporation. Now related one, you can observe that when the evaporation are persists, so the temperature around are cooling. So you feel that this in a regular life, this point and reason, scientific reason. When the evaporation occurs in which place, so this place are cooling. For example, you can take acetone, Cl3CO, Cl3, acetone on our palms. So put on a palm acetone. Now you feel around cool in a palm surface. Because of reason, understand that you can put acetone here. So these acetone particles are taken energy around our palms. It means all energy are absorbed these acetone particles. So all around heat are absorbed by, so here put on a palm acetone. So these acetone particles are absorbed around palm's heat. It means all heat are absorbed and acetone particles can move this liquid state to gaseous state. It means temperature is high because all around energy are absorbed acetone particles. So the temperature effect on evaporation, so evaporation rate is high and then acetone is evaporated. So around space, around surface area as effect of cooling, because of this around heat are absorbed by acetone particles. So this reason around area are cooling when the evaporation are occurs. So in our next lecture we have to study the next topic. So revise here, write down one book and exercise question. So thank you friends.